खिलाफत के बिना अपना नहीं कुछ भी गुजारा।
My name is Ibrahim. I'm a Jamia Canada student, and I'm here in UK. This is my first time having a mulaqat with Huzoor, and it's going to be my first time at Jalsa UK. At first, I was a little nervous, but I feel like it might mess up my time with Huzoor if I'm nervous. So I'm trying to go in like pretty confident, but humble as well. Maybe he'll recognize me from like seeing my face virtually. I mean, before then I didn't have a beard or anything, but Huzoor does remember a lot of things in exceptional ways. So I'm wondering maybe he'll remember me like that.
जो दूसरों के दर्द में जागे कोई
Alhamdulillah, it was a good mulaqat. Just being very close to Huzoor in the presence of Huzoor. It was a pretty short mulaqat. I actually stumbled a little bit. I didn't say my name or my dad's name. Everyone else did, but I got up close next to Huzoor and we got a picture together. I'm really happy about it. I got a pen from Huzoor as well, and I was able to be really close to Huzoor and just see him